It smelled like raw sewage and death all in one.
When I saw insects moving towards high ground, that just reinforced how bad this was going to be.
We had a lot of waves coming in over us. It's not the way I expected to die, I can assure you.
We have to be prepared.
My mother didn't want to leave the house. She was going down with the house.
We always live on denial. Nobody can prepare for something like this.
Katrina took a life away on the Gulf Coast.
Hope it never happens again, but I think we've learned a lot from it.
I survived. I did it.
The day Biloxi stood still.